Axor manufactures a large part of their own components in-house. This includes shell, padding, visor mechanisms, and many small parts as well. When you control production, you control the quality and cost. Axor follows a process called stage-wise quality control. That means every part, from the carbon layers to the chin strap webbing, goes through inspection before it becomes a helmet. This means that not only the final product is tested, but also every part that goes into making it. That's why you pay less for reducing wastage, not quality. One of Axor's biggest strengths is value engineering. It basically means that they put their budget on what matters the most, safety, while keeping everything else efficient. For example, lightweight carbon shell, premium investment. Complex but reliable visor mechanisms, mid-cost. Simple but effective interiors, cost saving. In a nutshell, pun intended, they focus on what can improve both safety and comfort. Carbon fiber is usually expensive because of the slow, manual layering process. But Axor uses a hybrid method, a mix of hand-laid carbons and preset molds. This keeps the shell strong, reduces errors, and speeds up production. Faster production equals lower cost, but the strength and safety remain the same. So there you go, the secret's out. This is how Axor keeps the MX Carbon both affordable and premium. Smart engineering, in-house production, and strict quality control. Good quality doesn't always have to be expensive. That's all for today. See you next time. But until then, ride safe, ride smart, and as always, ride with Axor.